Hey guys, guess what we're playing? We're playing The Sims Free Play. Yes, we are back on track with the videos. Sorry if I didn't make videos for a couple of weeks or probably 1 month. It's just I was practicing for a big test that was coming up. But now since I am finished with that, I need to pause it so no one can know my life. Okay, since no one knows my life, we can start this. We shall start a new game. Oh my gosh. The Sims Replay. There's only one house in the middle of nowhere. Welcome to the Sims TM Replay. Get ready to create and take control of a whole town full of Sims. It might look quiet now, but you're gonna misplace drive. I can't talk today. Let's get started by moving it to your first sim. You tap it. Launch the movie. I can't read it. They're too fast. Light skin tone. This will be named Glow. Wait, what? Nah. I'm gonna go with my old name. What's her hair? Hat, hair. Is there any different kinds of hair? Yeah, that's what I like better. Until we get the blue hair. I want red eyes. Is there something pink? That's pink. Why does every game have to have VIP? I hate VIP. I don't think they should have it. I think this one's better. Oh yeah, we're watching this movie. Pink guys, perfect. Ready in front of eyes. Yes. What are these? I've never seen that button before. No, it's VIP. Oh, forgot just now. There's not even pink. Oh my god. I need pink shoes also. They're purple. Oh, there. Yes. Juice. Oh, yeah. Pan the camera. I'm just gonna do this since I know all of them. I don't want to waste time. Sure. That was a long time to tell without toilet stops. What's worse than builders forgot to put a toilet in this house? Oh, that's my worst nightmare. Luckily, you can buy one in the home store. See? Push posting button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to enter the home store by the. Wait, if there's no one here, then who are we ordering? They're in. God damn! 50. Making money. Toilet. And this is my business. Okay. We are shall not. Shall not look at that. This. Look at this. Okay, she's dead. I'll level up. Can I please continue, please? Okay, so that's it. I mean, not the game, but I did some offline work while everyone was disturbing me. No, Can I expand it this way? But can I expand it this way now? Dirty? No, no chicken. Dirt free. Yeah, the wallpaper. Yeah. That's not right. Just double. Excuse me. By a lamp. Oh, there. The lighting. A free lamp. There are any other lamps? Ooh, look at this. I'll get a free one for now. Oh yeah, definitely need to. Okay. Then one another. Huh. Hat? A hat that I can wear. Sorry. Why don't Peters get all the cool stuff like blue hair in there? Blue hair. Yeah, I like that one. I am a first place. I've won the science fair first place, and I am a author. Author that I wrote a book. It came out today. I don't know if it's on stores, cause I did not do this by myself. Okay, Peppers. Hurry up. Okay. I can follow her. There we go. Now we can follow her. Let me just do this. Oh no. Look at that. Delicious. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Where's the peppers? Is that just bushes? I think those are yours. But let me press the wrong button. Where are the peppers? Wait, what's that? Wait, are those? Oh, those are the peppers. I thought it's the bush. Level up. There. I have 74. I got 71. 71. Now I got more. Tart review. Oh yeah, I know how to do that now. We're doing 15 minutes a day. So we won't get there, but in 6 minutes we're gonna end the episode. Yes, I get to make me a friend. She has this eye. Tops yellow. Dirty yellow bits. Oh, perfect for her. She has these. Now yellow pants. Perfect. Put my eyes again. Hang on. Oh, she is steak guy. Okay. How are these magical cupcakes? It's bright. Let's collect me. Wait. Where did we get our clock? Up right here. Perfect. What time is it? Like everything's gonna be up. Open zip tracker. I'm gonna go to my house because my house is bed. Okay. Yeah. This is a blob. A pump? Bob. Switch this. So much money. Shower the money. Why you have to be so far away? Hi, what are you doing, mister? Never mind that. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to that happen to her. I've always wanted her to be electrocuted. They always have 2,000. No! You got ruined everything. We almost had 2,000 and you want us to build stuff? Get this. But I've never explained my dream. Try to leave it. Bridgewater. Okay. What is this? Guys, I'm sorry, but it's almost 15 minutes, but we're gonna have to end the episode here. So, thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment. What should I play next time? See ya! Oh, it's getting really dizzy. Okay, so fast stop. Wait, before I do that, how much does these cost? God dang it. So, see you next time. See you guys.